And we're getting ready for another wild week in crypto. What a past week this has been. Bitcoin absolutely going ham, going bananas, crossing up over 28,000 recently. Next stop is 30K. Now, not only is 30,000 a psychological level here for Bitcoin, but it's also a crucial level where Bitcoin has pretty much seen some resistance and some support in the past. We're going to talk about that a little bit. Also, talk about the FOMC meeting, what we're expecting to hear there, the banking crisis, of course, of 2023. The bank runs are on. I think we're just beginning there. I think there's going to be more small banks that find themselves in trouble. What is going to happen at this FOMC meeting, though, starting tomorrow? That is the big question. We're going to get, obviously, the big rundown from Jerome Powell, and we're going to learn about what's going to happen with the interest rates. FOMC meeting scheduled for March 21st and 22nd, as you can see right there. Next one then will be in May. So a lot of people saying now that, it's funny because just a week ago we heard 50 basis points is on the table. Now, many people are saying 25 basis points or perhaps nothing. Now, for Jerome Powell to pivot from 50 basis points all the way to nothing, that would be tough, considering Congress would be pissed. So I think what's going to happen here is a 25 basis point move. Then I think they're going to not raise them at all in that May meeting. That is my prediction right now. It could change. It could evolve. That's where I think we're heading right now, though, in terms of interest rate hikes. We'll see, right? I mean, I don't have a crystal ball. I'm just kind of putting things together in my head based on, what's happened here, what's transpired. But there's no question here that Bitcoin has been the clear winner of the U.S. banking crisis. There's been no better story to showcase why Bitcoin exists than right now. Because think about it. Back in 2008, we had another banking crisis, but Bitcoin wasn't here yet. Now we're here again. Now, will this be as bad as 2008? I don't know, right? That's for others to ponder. But here's what we do know. There are a lot of banks in trouble. And this is what happens when you print money. There are consequences when you continue to add to the supply artificially. Just print, 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 print. This is why Bitcoin exists. You can't make any more of it. You can't just make a Bitcoin out of thin air. And it's broken up into small Satoshis. The code here has been running perfectly for 10 years now without an issue. This is what makes Bitcoin so powerful and so dominant and so appealing to the masses. And what we've seen here is an increase in exposure for Bitcoin because people are looking at the current monetary system and they are starting to see that there are big cracks in the system, big flaws in the system. And now Bitcoin has went now from seriously 16,000 the start of the year to 28,000. Think about that. Now, again, let me take you through the last 3 months, guys. We were down here the start of the year on January 3rd, $16,700 Bitcoin. On the first of the year to start 2023, we were at 16,500. We are now at 28,300. Could this be just a big bear market rally? It could be. And I don't want to rule out that possibility because these happen a lot in bear markets. Okay. So the potential is still there that we can go back and retest some of those $16,000, $15,000 levels. I am leaving the door open for that. Call me a futter, call me whatever you want. I'm being realistic, and that's my opinion. That's real. Okay. That's why I'm just buying Bitcoin every single day. Less so right now because it's firing up at 28,000. But if and when we do get back down to 15, 16K, I will be loading the boat again. I'm just looking at it as a massive buying opportunity one last time. Will we go test those numbers? We'll see. I don't know. This could be just a big trap, right? And I do think there's more than a trap happening here, though. There's definitely money coming in here because what is happening with the banking crisis. That is what we do know, okay? So we're going to see what happens with the FOMC meeting coming up here over the next 2 days. Bitcoin has been the clear winner of the U.S. banking crisis. Will anything be done with interest rates? We're going to find out what happens with Bitcoin. And again, that $30,000 level, a very psychological level and an important level to watch on the charts because it's acted as support and resistance a lot here in the last 12 months. Appreciate you guys as always for stopping back by the channel. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure you do so down below. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.